Sentence structure and pronunciation for beginners. 9. Book is her favorite it. So book is a noun and it is a noun. So either one can be the subject and verb is. And then her favorite, it cannot be it. So her favorite, her favorite book. So it is going to be the subject. It is her favorite book. It is her favorite book. So it is her. So when you read this part, it is, and H is silent, jer. It is her. So vowel, T flaps. It is her. It is her favorite, favorite, favorite book, favorite. This one you can say favorite, favorite. So it is her favorite book. It is her favorite book. A book the red cover has. So has is the verb and cover book. So which one is the subject? Has. Something has something. Something has something. So has. Cover has a book? No. Book has cover. So book is the subject. And then the book is going to be defined by the definite article. The book has a red cover. But it's going to be red color. The book has a red cover. The book has a red cover. The book has a. So read this part together as has, and then a. Has a. The book has a red cover. The book has a. The book has. So if you want, you can read this part. Book. And H is silent. Book has. Book has a. Book has a. The book has a red cover. The book has a red cover. Book the of animals pictures has. So we have book, animals, pictures. They're all nouns. They can be the subject. But okay, so has is the verb. Has is the verb. And then book has something, animal has something, picture has something. So book can be the subject. Book. And then animal pictures or pictures of animals. The book has pictures. The book has pictures. After has, you need an object. The book has pictures what? Of animals. The book has pictures of animals. The book has pictures of animals. Subject, verb, and then it's going to be object. The book has. So read this part together as book. And then H is silent. Book has. The book has pictures of. Pictures of. The book has pictures of animals. The book has pictures of animals. The book has pictures of animals. Cat, she, her, likes. So cat can be the subject, she can be the subject, but she is already subjective case, and cat cannot be the subject because like has third person singular s. So she likes. She likes cat. C-A-T-S, cat. But whose cat? Her. Her cat. She likes her cat. She likes her cat. So read this part together. Likes her. So F, when H has a word in front of it, H is silent. So like, likes. And the H is silent, likes her. She likes her cat. She likes her cat. She likes her cat. And then the last one for today, it's a long sentence. Book, she, pictures. But it cannot, them cannot be the subject because this is objective case. And then we have she as the subject. She shows. She shows what? She shows pictures. She shows them. She shows the book. She shows them Okay, so this one has to be indirect object. Indirect object. She shows them what? The pictures in the book. She shows them the pictures. The pictures in the book. She shows them the pictures, pictures in the book. Let's see. She shows them the pictures in the book. Okay, this one, we can say she shows the pictures in the book. If you have two, you can say two can come here, to them. But as you know, there's no preposition. So this is going to be indirect object, and this will be the direct object. She shows them the pictures in the book. So read this together. Show, shows them, shows them. She shows them the pictures in, pictures in. She shows them the pictures in the book. She shows them the pictures in the book. She shows them the picture. She shows them the pictures in the book.